Hi, in this video we're going to take a quick look at posting an assignment to a specific pupil or group of pupils. This might be useful if you're doing an assignment but you want to differentiate it for a specific pupil who's going to complete a different version, and you want them to be given a different version of it while the rest of the class is given the original, without any of them necessarily seeing what the other has been given. It can also be quite useful for creating specific groups to provide separate tasks to within your classroom. So within your classroom, if you already understand how to create an assignment, which is covered in a different video, the process is really very straightforward. So what I'm going to do is actually open an assignment that's already been created and change who that's been posted to. But the process is exactly the same if you're creating a new assignment. So if I go into here and edit this assignment, up at the top here, we'll see it says for all students, and that's the default for any assignment. If we click on this though, you'll see that we can individually select pupils so that we can untick all students, and we could, for example, just select test 2 pupil. And in this case, that means the assignment will only be sent to that pupil. They'll see it in their in their classroom, but the other pupils will not. And vice versa, this applies to selecting all pupils bar 1. All of those pupils except that one pupil will then see this assignment. Now you can modify this in retrospect. So if you, for example, had an assignment like a quiz that you were going to do with your class on a specific day, and you had a couple of pupils who were absent, you didn't want them to be able to see the quiz because you were posting it, it can be quite a handy way of posting the assignment with the quiz for all the pupils who are in that day, and then not posting it for the ones who are at home, and when they come back in, then adding them later so they don't have access to it until you want them to. In any case, that's all there is to it. You can simply click save, or in your case, if it's a new assignment, you would click assign, and that will be reflected in who's now able to access the assignment.